Okay, it's 2.5, and some very interesting friend of me has invited me to eat in his restaurant. Is here in this stunning small square in Almuñécar, my town. Look at this. This is el pueblo, the village de Almuñécar. Al cantador, to the singer, Muñoz Barbero. This is my people make a monument a one man who was called El Niño del Cerval, the kid of Cerval. I don't know, I can't explain now what is that. And do you remember my before report? Okay, now I want to introduce you Francisco II. And this young man you can see working is my friend, is exactly 30 years in restoration, and he take the same profession of his grandfather, you know, Francisco, I introduced you, and of course this is the emotion of my country. This is Spain. Look, the atmosphere is fabulous. The collection of artwork, the decoration, discover the details. It's a very ancient place. 35 years open this small restaurant. But I told you, watch out, eh? This is a very, very ancient place with a very antique collection of art. What amazing collection of, I don't know, the barrica in Spanish, I don't know, barrel, I think in English, but big.
Nadie quería el castillo, bueno, todavía hay gente que dice que bueno, es que el castillo atrás todo,
Es arte.
Ya por el acceso, pero directamente el castillo tiene unas casas que una vista y una magia que...
He told me a lot of foreigners come here, eh? And also here the family of my friend Francisco, another Francisco, his grandson, told me a lot of movies. Every one of the details you can see. Look the door to the kitchen, please. It's Arabian. This is an old culture. This is our culture. Sí, no, but a lot of video production of foreigners, producers have been made here, eh? This is a nice place to do a movie. Every detail, look, everyone. Okay, perhaps you know this wine. It's a sweet wine for sweet grapes. Is of this place is Costa del Sol, is Malaga. The name is Lágrima. Lágrima in English. When you cry from your eyes is the water of your eyes. Lágrima, no say in English. I don't know in English. But the wine is fabulous, made in Spain. Everybody can't understand perhaps because it's difficult to explain for a foreigner this atmosphere. You need to smell here like the antique wines are resting in the booth bar. Please open your eyes and see what my friends prepare for my lunch. Please enjoy a fabulous fresh. You can't imagine how I enjoy good cooking and good food. And here you can find the fabulous fresh tropical salad, shrimps, fresh shrimps, pineapple and sauce, whiskey sauce. And of course a fresh beer, because 25 November, but hot, 25 degrees in Spain, in Costa Tropical. 55 Fahrenheit degrees. You can see the people with short t-shirt. And the place, usually always full of people, today is closed because it's only open for me, for Tropical TV Miami. Enjoy it when you come. Hola amigo, buenas. Gracias, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, now wild golden fish and remolacha and fries. Fantastic, please. How I love food of my place, because it's really best fish in the world, and I know a lot of places. But I think I must do it because this is hot. I lost the temperature. Honestly, I must tell you, can you smell? Of course, I would like to invite you to take the flavor of this fantastic fish grilled with olive oil of his family, of this owner of the restaurant. And of course, my friend Francisco invited me, not because I speak good of him. He knows I am a gourmet, international gourmet, and my critic is absolutely honest. Everything is carried in this place. Look, the dish is art, my friends, art. The art of cooking with art. In Spanish, when you finish, people say, good, buen apetito, like enjoy it, or better. Look, the wild pigs and the hunters who provide meat to this place. Wild meat, natural quality. One by one, antiques, one by one, culture, art, not only cooking. Francisco is a